Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to enable the full screen mode in Slay the Spire. Let's begin by opening the settings menu, then going into game settings. Here under graphics, look to the Borderless Fullscreen. By the default you will probably have lower resolution and neither of those selected. I recommend going either with full screen or, as I said in the beginning of the video, or the Borderless Fullscreen, which is recommended actually. Then simply hit return, and if the settings aren't applied, quit the game and launch it again. This should apply the changes to your game instance. And well, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.